Hello traders, welcome to the day trading signals. In this video, I am going to show you one of the high profitable advanced price action strategy. It's called head and shoulder pattern strategy. This strategy works for all asset classes like stocks, options, crypto and currencies. If you want more videos more often, then please click the like button and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of our videos. So what we will be covering in this video. First point is what is head and shoulder pattern, how we use head and shoulder pattern, small info about support and resistance, and final one, strategy and examples. Now what is head and shoulder pattern? Head and shoulder pattern is a strong trend reversal pattern and it's a reflection of human behavior. There is two types of head and shoulder pattern. First one is bullish head and shoulder pattern and second one is bearish head and shoulder pattern. Let's have a look bullish head and shoulder pattern. In this pattern there is a left shoulder which has a low, then head which has a lower low and right shoulder which has a higher low. The line that connects the tops which we call the neckline. After the breakout of the neckline, we take an entry. Now we will see bearish head and shoulder pattern. The bearish head and shoulder pattern looks exactly opposite of bullish head and shoulder pattern. In this pattern also, there is a left shoulder which has a high, head which has a higher high and right shoulder which has a lower high. And the line which we connects, the lows, we call neckline. After the breakdown of neckline, we will take entry. So how we use head and shoulder pattern? We use head and shoulder pattern near support and resistance. This will give you high probability entry. In charts, more and more head and shoulder pattern forms everywhere, but they failed many times. But when they forms near support and resistance level, they will work 95% of the time. So now we will see small information about support and resistance. Support and resistance are the areas where price has reacted to in the past and can potentially react to again in the future. So here we have marked support and resistance level on the basis of price has reacted in the past and it can potentially reacted again in the future on these levels. We will wait for the price to come again to these levels so we can find trade opportunity at these levels. We will find trade opportunity long at support levels and short opportunity at resistance level. Now we will look detailed strategy and examples. In this strategy, we are using multi-time frames. On your left side, 1 hour time frame, meaning every candle represent 1 hour of time. On your right, 5-minute time frames, meaning every candle represent 5 minutes of time. Here is the key support level on 1 hour time frame and same key support level on 5-minute time frame. This is the first time price has moved drastically from this level. So we will look trade opportunity here on the lower time frames. So this is a lower time frame which is a 5-minute. So here we have found head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder, this one is a neckline and here is a breakout. So we have to enter a long position after closing of breakout candle. So now we see next example. On your left side, 30 minutes of time frame, meaning every candle represent 30 minutes of time. On your right, 5 minutes of time frame, meaning every candle represent 5 minutes of time. Here is a key resistance level on 30-minute time frame and same key resistance level on 5-minute time frame. This is the first time price has moved drastically from this level. So we will look trade opportunity here on the lower time frames. So now this is a lower time frame which is a 5-minute. So here we have found head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder, this one is a neckline and here is the breakdown. So we have to enter a sell position after closing of breakdown candle. So this is the next example on 15-minute time frame. Here we can find trade opportunity for long position on lower time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame. Here we found bullish head and shoulder pattern and here we can enter. So next example on 15-minute time frame. Here we can find trade opportunity for short position on lower time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame. Here we found bearish head and shoulder pattern, and here we can enter. Hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.